Good morning, flippers and holders, collectors and investors. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up a Metamask wallet for the Ethereum blockchain. Start off by opening up your desired browser and type Metamask. In the search field, click on the top link that says metamask.io. Click download. Download for Chrome or Brave or whichever it is that you're using. In this case, we're using Brave. Add to Brave, add extension, and then wait for it to download. Once it has finished downloading, it's automatically going to pop up. If you already have an existing wallet, you click here and import it. If not, create a new wallet. Click on that. I agree. Once you have created your password, click on the I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. Create a new wallet. And then, as always, the seed phrase is going to come up. So you want to get that piece of paper and your pen ready to write it down because you do not want to store it online or on your phone. Click secure my wallet and then reveal the secret recovery phrase. And you get these numbers and letters and you want to type that down on your piece of paper. Once you've done that, click on next and fill in the missing words and confirm. Click got it, and now you've successfully created your MetaMask wallet and are ready to trade on the Ethereum blockchain. And next time when you open up your browser, you will find it under the jigsaw puzzle right here. You will click on it, it'll come up, and then you have to type in the password that you previously wrote down, and you are good to go. That was it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking and commenting the video. It really helps the channel grow. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one.